organize concerts and event shows in my city, and I wanted to send new event offers to all my existing customers whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer is going to take a lot of time. That's where I got up this amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution using which I made WhatsApp bulk messaging easy for my business. Yes, using WhatsApp broadcast, I can send this bulk WhatsApp messages to these bulk contacts in just one click, that too with the approved and legal method without sending them in the groups like an unprofessional. So here I'm going to send this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here on the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So for that, we are going to access the feature of broadcast available over here. But before that, let me tell you that I have created a WhatsApp message template using which I'm going to send this WhatsApp message. And here I've created this template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account only. If you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so first let me show you the template that I have created under this template section. Here you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Let me select the template that I'm going to use over here. You can see this is the template that I have created where I have drafted this message and I have attached the image for the same. Now here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. If you want to learn about this template creation process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, once you have this template, move towards the broadcast section. And in the broadcast, you can see total number of broadcasts, number of live, sentence, schedule, broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly, select the type as broadcast campaign. Then for the name, I'm going to give the name as new sales message. Moving forward, then comes the audience type. So here if you want to use an existing contact list, then you can select the contact list from the drop down, or else if you want to send the WhatsApp message to those contacts who are not added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can upload a CSV file for the same. So here as you know that I have my contact details in Google Sheets. That means I need to download this data first in a CSV file, and once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here. After that, you can successfully send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all these contacts in just one click. Alright, for now I'm going to use an existing contact list that I already have. You can select multiple lists as well. Here I've selected a single one. Then comes the refine audience option. Using this, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from contact list. Not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Alright, let's move forward. Then comes the message type. You can see two types over here. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. Here if you want to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So this is my template and here I'm going to upload an image for the same. Moving forward, click on this done button and you can see the template has been selected successfully. You can also make this message personalized by adding variables. For now, I've used the generic one. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp message to test this broadcast message. For that, I'm going to add my contact name and my number over here. Then we are going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have received a new WhatsApp message with the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no. And to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here while selecting date and time, you need to make sure that you are selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Alright, then comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. So basically, if you're going to turn on this button, then you can send the number of retries and the wait between these retries option to send the same WhatsApp broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then let's click on this add broadcast button and you can see we have successfully scheduled our broadcast. Now, once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend your WhatsApp broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting resend option available over here as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can send WhatsApp bulk messages in free. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.